Thank you so much to my returning subscribers for tuning in. If this is your first time here, my name is Annie Krieger. Thank you so much for joining. Today's recipe is this delicious Uziza soup. So please stay tuned, lovelies, and enjoy watching. For my Uziza soup today, I'll be needing some amount of clean goat's meat and clean stockfish fillet. Depending on what protein you'll be going for, which one is to be cooked first, okay? Again, I will introduce just small amount of salt and small amount of bouillon powder. You want to generously stir all that, mix all that together, and then cover up and let it cook for at least 10 minutes to produce its own juice before adding any liquid. 10 minutes later, my protein has produced its own juice. It is time for me to add in enough liquid for the quantity of the soup I will be making today, and then cover it up and let it continue to cook. This recipe is inspired by Joyful Cook. I was scrolling down YouTube on this lazy Sunday morning, and Uziza Soup thumbnails was so high catchy, so I just clicked and watched. It was so delicious. Thank God I had all the ingredients at home, and I will be doing some addition and subtraction here today. Okay, to do this process, go for mortar to crush it, or your blender to blend everything. I have crayfish in there, some Uziza seed, Scotch bonnet pepper, habanero pepper is perfect for this, so go for one if you have any. For my dry catfish, I'll go behind the camera, debone and clean. Back to my protein, I will introduce my deboned catfish, some dry prawns, and pre-cooked cow tea. You want to add in enough water if you lack liquid here, okay? Uziza soup is a typical Igbo native soup that is being consumed in most whole of Nigeria, okay? Anybody can make it, and it's a loving native soup. And here I have my first time of making Uziza soup. I love it. It's my restaurant soup. We never had this soup in my childhood. It was just anytime I go to restaurants, this is what I love to eat. Okay, so please, lovelies, add in your blend crayfish at this point. Add in liquid if you need some. The most important thing here is the oil. The palm oil you are using, it's very important. You want to go for good quality of palm oil. This will give you that natural native Uziza soup taste, okay? And for the Achi, which is the thickener, you can go for coconut or Achi. But I love this consistency that Achi brings to your soup, okay? So use cold water to stir it first, or you use some part of your spoons of your soup to stir it. Make sure the soup is not too cooking, because if you use too much hot water or hot soup to stir your achi first, you will end up having lumps in your achi before adding it in your soup, okay? But don't forget, achi is a trigger, okay? If it's too thick while cooking, when it cools down, you will not be able to eat it because it will be too thick, okay? It thickens up while it cools down, okay? So cover up and let it continue to cook. And here we go, my guys. It tastes delicious. The whole house is smelling good. The oil is just so good. Thank God I had good oil at home at this day. And you want to stir all that together, okay? And then the next thing is to introduce your Uziza leaf. Uziza leaf, which is the main thing for today. Here I have my consistency. So I will still add a liquid, okay? Because you want to make sure you have that perfect consistency before your soup cools down. We didn't use much spices here. And the achi you use is very important. I think I used 2 flat tablespoons of achi for this whole pot, and it was perfect, okay? I have my fresh sliced Uziza leaf my sister brought for me. So I'm just fresh sliced and frozen. So that's what I'm using today, the frozen one. if you have the fresh Uziza leaf, which is absolute the best. Okay, okay. So stir all that together. Actually, Uziza soup, when you are cooking it, before you add your Uziza leaf, you still don't know where you are going to, I think, before then. So after adding your Uziza leaf, cover off to let it cool for at least 7 to 8, 10 minutes, okay? And then when you come back, like everything, the change is a game changer, okay? So let me put it word like that. And look at what we have, guys. Do you think I tried my best? Like, this is one soup I was cooking and gisting with my friend on phone, cooking, making video, and on telephone, gisting with my girlfriend Ileana at the same point. That's to show you how easy the soup is, but a fantastic taste. Okay, so my restaurant soup, I have it in my kitchen today. Thank you so much, guys. If you haven't clicked on this like button, please do so. Here is my plating. I hope you like it. I hope I tried my best. Please let me know in the comment section the evils, okay? Did I try? Is the soup okay? But I don't know how to say it. You can go for any swallow of your choice. Yeah, that's it. Eba, pounded yam. Okay. Thank you so much, lovely. Please like and see you in my next one. Bye for now.